Today we'll talk about how can you add failed to orders on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, clicking this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and you go down, you just keep going down here, and you click here on custom data. So then it's going to take you to this list, then you click here on orders. So then you come to here, and you come here to add new fields to orders, clicking add definition. You click on add definition, and you come to this list here, add name and namespace and key, or and here add description. Then here if you want to select type, here if you want to enable or disable here accesses, and when you down click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.